Do you know this word? How's it? What? Cut it out. That's not a word. Yeah, like, how's it going? Oh, geez. Okay, so seriously though, let's talk about this phrase and the three things that are happening that make native speakers so difficult to understand. Number one, contractions. Native speakers contract words together all the time in spoken English. So instead of saying how is, we say how's. The second thing is linking. So native speakers link sounds together. In this case, first we have a consonant to vowel link in z to I. How's it? So we don't say how's it. We say how's it? How's it? And we link that Z sound to the vowel I. We have a second link, a consonant to consonant link with the T consonant and the G consonant in going. So instead of saying how's it going, we say how's it going? So the T stops back here more. How's it going? How's it going? And the third thing that can make native speakers so challenging to understand are reductions. So native speakers reduce words, reduce sounds. So in going, we don't say going, we say going. How's it going? Going. My advice, don't stress out if you're not contracting or linking or making reductions. Focus more on noticing these things in the speech of others. This will help your listening skills and it will make you feel more confident.